Hello friends, today I will show with you how to create a sticky overall sticky social media icon. When I scroll my home page or another page, the social media icon will be fixed and this section cannot visible. Alright, okay, done. At first I take a social media icon from widget social media icon. So social media icon anywhere, any element. Okay, so I put it, but okay, done. I add a item. So Pinterest, you can choose another social media icon. First of all, I click the pencil icon, just click, then I go to advanced. Okay, I go to advanced. I select the position will be fixed, then I horizontal orientation, click right. Okay, then I position widget position, custom position 50 or 0, right? 0 not 55. Okay, done. Then I go to vertical orientation, then 40 pixel, no, 40 pixel, no, but I drag and drop. Okay, done. Just arrow pixel, but I select it percentage. Okay, so I write it. Then when I scroll, the position is fixed, the position social media is fixed. Then I go to my style tab, then style tab. Okay, sorry, I go to advanced tab, then I change my background color, this social media icon background color. Select the pencil icon, then go to black, but I cannot see black hole option. Recently I will show this option. Then I go to my style tab, this icon section, color official custom, that means primary color selected, go transparent mode. Oh, done. Okay, now I advance, go to padding is 0, margin top 0. Okay, border radius, go to border radius. So border radius, then border radius is unbind, then top border radius 25% and bottom radius 25%. low, sorry, not bottom, left, top and left 25%. Okay, done. So I connect it round shape. So round shape, square or square, you can easy way, left, right, center, done, but I keep it center. Okay, when I scroll, this option is fixed. Okay, so now with I can check it. Okay, done. The width position is 24 or 25%, or you can pixel convert it 50 pixel. Okay, done. This is the great idea. Okay, finally I update it, then go to my main website, main page, then refresh it. Okay, done. I can see this option is fixed. Okay, but I can see this section only visible desktop mode. Okay, done. But I can't see this mobile or tablet version. Just go to my settings option, then responsive mode. Just click here, just tablet portable. Then I go to this section, then social IDM icon. Just click here, then advanced setting. Go to my responsive option, then hide this section, tablet mode only, portrait and tablet mode. Or I can see this section will be update only available. Just go to advanced setting, then cannot go responsive mode, only direct go responsive mode, then hide the tablet portrait and hide the mobile portrait. Okay, done. Update it. So I check it, done. Responsive mode, okay. Tablet mode don't show, then mobile mode don't show, but this is visible and hide color. This when I go to my website, live website, then scroll and drag and drop. Okay, this is this section is hide, then mobile version is also hide. Okay, done. So you can try it to build or without custom CSS, only available Elementor free version. Thank you so much.